Guys, back again to another new video tutorial. In this video I will show you about the mic problem in your device Redmi 9T. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the mic, like your mic is not working on calls or not working for the recordings, you can solve it by the method that I will show you in this video. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the mic issue in your device. Let's watch it.